I'm going to show you how to combine multiple PDFs into one PDF. It's really easy and it's free on the Mac. You don't need to buy any extra software or anything like that. So before I start, I don't want to overwrite any of my original files, so I'm just going to duplicate one of my PDFs, and that's going to be the destination file. So I'm going to rename that Please Restart. There we go. And now I'm going to open the destination file and two of my other files in preview. There we go. So make sure you are viewing your thumbnails. So go to View and click on Thumbnails. So my goal here is I just want the cover pages. I don't want all this text. So what I do is, this is my destination file. So I'm just going to drag this thumbnail over here. And I'm also going to drag this thumbnail over here. I'm going to mark this page 1 here and just hit Command Delete or Command Backspace. There we go. So I'm going to close these two source files. And this destination file now has 3 pages, which are the 3 cover pages from the 3 original PDFs. Good luck. If you're getting value out of this video, hit the like button. Have a look at my other videos if you want to. See ya.